ChatGPT, your new side hustle buddy. Hey hustlers, are you ready to take your side hustle game to the next level? Want to make some extra cash? ChatGPT is here to help. Imagine having a tool that can assist you in generating income from the comfort of your home. Think of it as your new best friend for side hustles. Whether you're brainstorming new ideas with friends or need a quick solution, ChatGPT has got your back. It's like having a super smart robot that can write anything you want. Need a blog post, a catchy email, or even a short story? ChatGPT can do it all. Emails, stories, essays, you name it. The possibilities are endless. You can even use it to draft business proposals or create engaging social media content. And the best part, you can use it to make money. That's right, real cash. Imagine turning your creative ideas into a steady stream of income. Let's dive in and see how. With ChatGPT, the opportunities are endless. So what are you waiting for? Start your journey to financial freedom today. Students, turn ChatGPT into A+ cash. Being a student is tough. Tuition, books, late-night pizza, it all adds up. But don't worry, ChatGPT can help you earn some serious side hustle money. Whether you're a writing whiz or a math genius, there's a way for you to cash in. Let's break it down. Ace those papers. ChatGPT as your writing wingman. Writing a paper due tomorrow? Don't panic. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas, create outlines, and even write entire paragraphs. But remember, always double-check the facts and add your own voice. Think of ChatGPT as your writing partner, not your ghostwriter. Homework. Help hustle cash in on your knowledge, good at math, science, or history. Turn your knowledge into cash by offering online tutoring services. Use ChatGPT to create study guides, practice problems, and even answer student questions. You'll be surprised how many people are willing to pay for a little extra help. Office heroes, level up your income with ChatGPT. Office life got you down? Tired of the 9-to-5 grind? ChatGPT can help you escape the cubicle and boost your income with some seriously cool side hustles. Let's explore. Content creation king or queen. ChatGPT writes, you earn. Blogs, social media posts, website content. The internet is hungry for fresh content. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas, write outlines, and even create entire articles. You can then sell this content to businesses or publish it yourself and earn money through advertising. Customer service superstar, ChatGPT answers, you profit. Many businesses need help answering customer questions online. You can use ChatGPT to create helpful responses to frequently asked questions, freeing up your time to focus on more complex issues. Offer your services as a freelance customer service rep and watch the money roll in. ChatGPT in action, real-life money-making magic. Still not convinced? Check out these inspiring stories of real people using ChatGPT to make money. From student debt to side hustle success with ChatGPT. Meet Sarah, a college student struggling with student loan debt. She used ChatGPT to launch a successful online tutoring business, helping high school students with their math homework. Now, Sarah is earning extra cash and paying down her debt, all thanks to ChatGPT. The office worker who paid off debt with ChatGPT. John, a 9-to-5 office worker, felt trapped by his job. Every day felt like a grind, and he couldn't see a way out. His mounting credit card debt only added to his stress, making it hard to focus on anything else. One day, John stumbled upon ChatGPT, an AI tool that could generate text. Intrigued, he decided to give it a try. He started using it to write blog posts and website content for businesses. To his surprise, the demand for his services grew quickly. Businesses loved the quality of the content, and John found himself with more freelance work than he could handle. With the extra income, John was able to pay off his debt much faster than he had ever imagined. The feeling of seeing that paid in full notice was indescribable. Now John enjoys a thriving freelance writing career. He no longer feels trapped by his job and is on track to financial freedom. His story is a testament to how technology can open new doors and change lives. Making bank with ChatGPT step by step. Ready to start your own ChatGPT money-making adventure? Here's a simple step-by-step guide. Step 1. Sign up and say hello to ChatGPT. Head over to the ChatGPT website and create a free account. It's quick and easy. Step 2. Give ChatGPT clear instructions. Tell ChatGPT what you want it to write. Be specific. The more detailed your instructions, the better the output. Step 3. Fact check and add your personal touch. Now ChatGPT is smart, but it's not perfect. Always double check the information for accuracy and, add your own unique style and voice to the content. Step 4. Profit. Once you're happy with the results, start selling your services or content online. There are tons of platforms where you can find clients or customers. ChatGPT, your secret weapon for crushing it online. In today's digital age, having an online presence is crucial. Whether you're a student building your personal brand or an office worker looking for extra income, ChatGPT can help you create compelling content that gets you noticed. Think blog posts, social media updates, even scripts for YouTube videos. But wait, there's more. Other ways to monetize ChatGPT. We've only scratched the surface. ChatGPT can also be used to write ebooks and sell them online, create engaging scripts for podcasts, develop marketing materials for businesses, and generate creative content for social media campaigns. The possibilities are endless. ChatGPT for everyone, breaking down the barriers to entry. One of the best things about ChatGPT is its accessibility. You don't need to be a tech whiz or coding genius to use it. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy for anyone, regardless of their technical skills, to leverage its power. The future is now, ChatGPT and the evolving job market. The job market is constantly changing, and it's more important than ever to have diverse skills. ChatGPT isn't here to replace jobs, it's here to enhance them. By embracing this technology, you can future-proof your career and unlock new income opportunities. Your turn to unleash your inner entrepreneur with ChatGPT. So what are you waiting for? Stop dreaming about financial freedom and start taking action. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals. Embrace the possibilities, unleash your creativity, and watch your income soar. Conclusion: ChatGPT, your ticket to easy money. While ChatGPT can be a game changer for earning extra cash, remember that it's not a magic bullet. It offers a plethora of opportunities, from content creation to customer service, but it requires dedication and strategic thinking. Success requires effort, creativity, and a willingness to learn. You need to invest time in understanding how to use ChatGPT effectively, whether it's for writing, coding, or even tutoring. The more you learn, the more you can leverage this powerful tool. But with the right mindset and a little help from ChatGPT, you can unlock your earning potential and achieve financial freedom. Imagine being able to work from anywhere, setting your own hours and doing what you love. The possibilities are endless. Now go out there and crush it. Take the first step today, and who knows? You might just find that ChatGPT is the key to unlocking a new chapter in your financial journey. So, are you ready to make the most of this incredible opportunity?